In this episode of Sailing Nandji, after completing boat work and solving our engine issue, we set off on our first exploration of New Caledonia. Yosh has his first surf, we have our first dive, and we celebrate my birthday.
It's that time. First surf off Nandji. Oh, weather's a bit sandy. We're anchored up inside the reef near the pass. Hello. There's a few boats here, but it is the weekend, and this is the most popular wave in New Caledonia, but it's too good to be true.
Beautiful blue water. Go get some!
The surf was quite busy, but there were plenty of waves to be had. I surfed for around 4 hours and was the only one left in the lineup. I look forward to exploring the waves around New Caledonia more and surfing solo more often. Exciting time getting ready for our first spear. We're just getting everything out and then realised I have to make a few rubbers. Probably should have been a bit more organised there, but it's all good. Just going to put another rubber on this gun. We can go hunt some fish.
Shipwreck! Gotta go in and inspect it. Looking forward to going home. How We have to be careful in what fish we catch in New Caledonia, as there is a lot of cicatera in the bigger predatory fish and reef fish. Cicatera can cause you to be very sick and suffer from food poisoning like symptoms. The fish get this toxin from eating smaller reef fish that eat algae and coral containing the toxin. This trout was around 3 kilo and is the biggest reef fish we will eat. I guess I have to hunt the little guys. We have to cut our little quick explore short on passage when we copped that beating. We noticed that on the forestay there's a few wires. The forestay had untwisted a bit, no wires had broken, but they'd come loose a bit near the swaged end. But I found that when I was up the mast replacing the halyard the other day. But we thought we'll just go out for a quick little, we won't go far, we'll go out, get some waves, have a dive. Bonita's birthday, so we go sit on an island and relax for a day. We wanted to go a little bit further, but yeah, so it's getting worse.
It's getting worse, so
we don't want to risk it. We don't want anything breaking.
Yep.
we don't want to risk anything, so
we're just motoring. So yeah, we're off to a little island for a few days for my birthday, and then I think we'll go back to Dumbea, get this sorted out, and then we can go wherever we want. So.
We met a fella who's going to tee us up with a rigger, because the same thing happened to him on passage from Australia. So he's teed up with a rigger, he got his replaced, so we're going to find this bloke. And
he's got like a portable swage thing.
Yeah. So with our powers combined, we should be able to replace this. But we need to get a halyard deflector on top of the furler. I think that's why it's been causing a bit of chafe on the halyard, so we'll sort that out. What are you doing, mate? It's like,
no, does he need to go back?
no, he like jumped out of the water chasing him.
He's not big enough, he's a little baby.
It's like a little baby barracuda.
Yeah.
Off you go, mate.
Gosh.
We don't see that every day. This is a bit of a ride, isn't it?
Yeah, oh my god, there's a fish.
Look at that barracuda that just jumped at us.
Yeah, there's like fish everywhere here, eh? Best days of the year. It's my birthday and I'm turning 22.
Happy 22nd! Second!
And so we're off to find a sandy cay, like our own little private island, to enjoy the sunshine and run around and swim and bake and swim and bake and...
Bake and swim?
Yeah. And we've got some cocktails coming as well. What are they called? Pina Colodas?
Pina Colada!
Nothing says tropical island like a pina colada, so...
Yeah, let's spoil that princess.
Yeah. I woke up this morning, Yosh cooked me an egg wrap for breakfast with some orange juice and some chocolate. And I've got a chocolate cake as well, so... I'm being very well looked after.
What do you spy?
Sandy cay. Sand on right there, there's lots of reef around it. So, good moor up near the island and then take the tender out.
You want to do that, birthday girl? Spanglies galore! Damn marine park! That's the absolute beauty of a marine park. An absolute plethora of fish. Spanglies, jobbies, jacks, all of those tasty fish, all the fish that you really want to catch and hunt. Beauty of a marine park, you get to see them up close.
We dropped anchor near a small island called Ile La Regna. After a quick swim with the fishes, it was off to find a sandy cay to celebrate.
You come join my party. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
many people you reckon's on there?
Oh, Cutler Humpty.
Cutler Humpty, eh?
Cutler Humpty.
It's a lot of people.
Yeah. These things are neck level, aren't they?
That's how other people travel.
Pretty nice.
Our island is getting smaller and smaller. Might be time to move to the big mama land soon.
Sharks coming to get us.
He likes chocolate cake.
Oh, we can try.
They have barbecues on the island and we're hoping to score one this evening so we can cook some fish and have a barbecue on the beach. That'd be
Fire
nice.
barbecue.
Yeah, like a fire barbecue. So. Spuds are on. Isn't this just the best?
Oh, it's a bit of a ride, eh?
We're on our own little island with a fire, got spuds on, fish coming. Not bad, we've got some snakes kicking past. It's alright,
Friendly little
come
guys.
on over.
Come and hang out.
Turns out there's
Party.
a few people on this island that are having birthdays today as well. So
What are the odds? There's
What are the
3
odds?
boats here, and a person from each boat has a birthday today.
it's just
So it looks like this island's the party island!
yeah. Thanks for watching another episode of Sailing Nandji. It was so good getting out there and exploring some islands, and above and below the water is just absolutely beautiful. So I do want to apologise. We have a professional camera and it's currently being sent back to us, so we're just working with what we have in the meantime, and we do apologise for some of the quality. It's going to be better as soon as we get our camera back.
Yeah, we can't wait to get it back.
Yeah.
It makes it a little bit hard because there's public holidays all the time here.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's getting sent from Australia, so we just need to be patient. But,
Yeah.
So we're sorry for the audio and some of the fogginess, and
Yeah, but we just got to deal with what we have.
just
so.
have faith, man.
Yeah.
Have faith.
Big thank you to our patrons as always, and our newest patrons we have Lucas, Keith, Chris, Courtney, Greg and Vagabond Bums, and also massive thanks to Sean and David. Those sorts of contributions go a long way, so thanks guys for getting on board the Sailing Nandji family.
Yeah, we have to give another good shout out to Tracy. A couple of episodes ago, she posted a comment and posted a link to where you can help contribute towards us getting a self-steering, a wind vane, and that's what we're looking into. And from that, we've had a lot of people have been contributing, so we can't thank you guys enough. But we want to give a special thanks to Gary and to Ken.
Yeah.
Mate, Ken, you are next level.
We are feeling the love, man. We are feeling the love.
That
Thank
is
you.
that is generosity beyond, and like, I'm dumbfounded. I'm struck for words with what you've done and your contribution towards helping us achieve that and be able to purchase a wind vane. So, mate,
Yeah.
legend, T-bomb, absolute T-bomb.
Top bloke Aussie, mate.
That's it.
A big shout out to the music artists on this video. We have Theo and Same Day. It's good to have some Aussie tunes back on our videos, so thanks guys for letting us use the tracks.
Yep.
Check them out, there's links in the description below.
And thanks to everyone who's been buying stuff recently in our store. That's awesome. We can't thank you enough. And if you subscribe to our mailing list and you sign up on the website, we'll send you a bit of a discount code as well. We'll just really get that Nandji merch out there. So,
Yep.
Cheers, legends.
Yeah, we have never seen anyone wearing Sailing Nandji merch, and we're on a mission.
Yeah, we want to walk down the street and be like, hey.
Sailing Nandji. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay safe and have fun.
It's exploration time.
Peace.
Mm-hmm.